In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert JPG files to PDF using ILovePDF. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it great for anyone who needs to combine image files into a PDF quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the ILovePDF website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in ilovepdf.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a wide variety of PDF tools available. For our purpose today, we want to focus on converting a JPG to a PDF, so go ahead and locate the JPG to PDF option. It should be on the menu or among the main services listed on the page. Click on it to get started with the conversion process. After selecting the JPG to PDF tool, the next step is to upload the image you wish to convert. Look for the Select JPG Images button. Clicking this will open a file dialog on your computer where you can browse through your files and select the JPG image you'd like to convert. If you're working with multiple images, feel free to select as many as you need to compile them into a single PDF file. Once you've chosen the images, they will be added to the ILovePDF tool interface. Now with your JPG files ready to go, you're set to move on to the next step. You'll find a Convert to PDF button usually located right on the page with your uploaded images. Click this button to begin the conversion process. The tool will then take a few moments to work its magic, transforming your selected JPG images into a PDF format. This typically happens quite quickly, but the time required may vary slightly depending on the number and size of the images you're converting. Once the conversion process is complete, you'll be prompted to download your new PDF file. Simply click on the Download PDF button that appears on your screen. Your file will be saved to your default download location, which is typically the Downloads folder on your computer. You can then access your new PDF file at your convenience, ready for sharing, printing, or further editing as needed. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to convert your JPG images into a PDF using the ILovePDF online tool. Whether you're compiling a photo album or preparing documents for delivery, this tool offers a seamless solution for all your file conversion needs. Thanks for following along, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.